got my ticket for the long way round. 2 bottle whiskeys for the way, and I sure would like some sweet company. And I'm leaving tomorrow, what do you say? When I'm gone, when I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my hair, you're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. I've got my ticket for the long way round. It won the prettiest of views. It's got mountains, it's got rivers, it's got sights to give you shivers. Sure would be prettier with you. When I'm gone, when I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my walk, you're gonna miss me by my talk. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
I've just been on my holidays to Blackpool by the sea. Although I'm feeling mighty fit, my feet are troubling me. I queued for hours and hours, but I must say it was grand to get as near as half a mile to several miles of sand. On Blackpool prom on Saturday, I had a lovely time. I queued for breakfast, I queued for lunch, I queued for bananas in a bunch, I queued for a glass of bitter. The old woman was watching the pram. I queued for barrels, gin and lime. It really was a pantomime. Before I got served they shouted time, so I queued for a queue with a tram. On Blackpool prom on Saturday, oh what a lovely day. I queued for oysters, I queued for rock, I queued for a view of the town hall clock, I queued for the fun of queuing, and I murmured what to do. A game of snooker would be great. I queued to put my name on a slate. Then after 60 minutes wait, I queued in a queue for a queue. Blackpool prom on Saturday, the women looked simply grand. I queued for the dark uns, I queued for the fair, I queued for the chance to have my share. Oh boy, was I up and doing, and I murmured I love you. A figure, it was like a dream, quite big at the front and broad at the beam, but it was the missus that I'd seen, so I flew from the queue, wouldn't you? Every year when summer comes round, off to the sea I go. I don't care if I do spend a pound, I'm rather rash, I know. See me dressed like all the sports, in me blazer and a pair of shorts, with me little stick of Blackpool rock. Along the promenade I stroll. It may be sticky, but I've never complained. It's nice to have a nibble at it now and again. Every day, wherever I stray, the kids all round me flock. One afternoon the band conductor up on his stand somehow lost his baton, it flew out of his hand. So I jumped in his place and then conducted the band with my little stick of Blackpool rock. With my little stick of Blackpool rock. Along the promenade I stroll. In the ballroom I went dancing one night. No wonder every girl I danced with stuck to me tight. Every day, wherever I stray, the kids once, it cost 1 and 3. I said when it was done, is that supposed to be me? You probably mucked it up, the only thing I can see is my little stick of Blackpool roll. With my little stick of Blackpool roll. Along the promenade I stroll. In my pocket it got stuck, I could tell. 'Cause when I pulled it out, I pulled my shirt off as well. Every day, wherever I stray, the kids all round me flock. A girl while bathing clung to me, I shouted out, oh. She said, I think I'm drowning and you'll save me, I know. I said, well, if you're drowning, do you mind letting go of me little stick of Blackpool rock?
Would you like a buggy?
I would.
I would love.
Look, that's where we had our tea.